Welcome back. Today we're gonna make beef bulgogi 4 different ways. Alright, thank you once again for joining me today. You could have been anywhere else, but you were here and I appreciate you. And for that, I'm gonna give you a treat, bulgogi. Very, very delicious. So for this, I used beef ribeye. Oh man, beef ribeye is so tender, so delicious, so juicy, so easy to work with. And as you can see, I made my marinade and I'm dipping it in. And once I do that, I'm just gonna add to the bag and layer them. I let mine marinate overnight. You can leave it for a few hours, it's all good. And since we're making this 4 different ways, I'm gonna be doing a lot during this video. Right here, I'm making the candied jalapeños for the burger that we're gonna make with the bulgogi. So you're gonna boil the sugar, make a little syrup right here, put the jalapeños in there, cook them a little bit, and you see when they turn that color, they're about done. All right. Now we have the cabbage. Now we're making a Korean coleslaw. Okay. So as you can see, I'm adding all these ingredients, and this coleslaw is absolutely delicious. It has a little bit of a kick to it, so if you can't handle the spicy, then either reduce the spicy ingredients or just omit them. But I'm telling you, the spicy and the sweet go together. Now, if I could do it again, I would use all green cabbage, but I like the different colors, and for the video, I use green and purple cabbage. But here we have the onion, and we have some green onions. Chopped it up, and we're adding it in with the green cabbage and the red cabbage. Now we have the onions and the green onions, and we're gonna give this a good mix, right? Wow. The smell is so good, the taste is even better. Alright, now I'm fancy like that. I have my own meat grinder, so I grinded up some of the bulgogi and I made some patties with it that we're gonna throw on the grill later. And for the rest of it that I grinded up, I'm using it to make nachos and a burrito. So right here we're cooking it, we're making it with onions, and I poured a little bit of the marinade in there so the marinade can cook in there with it, gives it more flavor. And man, you know, when beef is that flavor is ready to go. All right, now we are on the grill. Now some people like to use their propane accessories. I tell you what, but I like to use my charcoal. And that charcoal it gives it such good flavor. Now when you toast your buns, you know, you want to make sure that you don't burn them, so don't leave them unattended because they toast pretty quick on the grill. See that? Those grill marks are very lovely. And you have the broccoli, sesame broccoli. Make sure you coat that thing in some oil because you don't want to burn that. It tastes better when you coat it in oil. Add a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, sesame oil. And man, it smells delicious. And then you just throw that on the grill after you're done, and it should look like that. And it should taste absolutely delicious. All right, let's go on. Let's go make this burrito. I have some white rice, you know, some mushrooms. Look at all those greens. Oh yeah, see. I had some chipotle mayo. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Right game is so on point. And I'm gonna let you see the contents. Look at that. Just layers of goodness. Alright. Now we go on to the burger. We already made this. I showed you that already. Now we got the toasted bun. Alright, we got the cucumbers. There's our candied jalapeños. Some of the coleslaw, fried egg. Oh my goodness. The Bulgogi Burger, ladies and gents. Feast your eyes on that. I mean, that egg, that drip game is so strong. Look at it. Oh man. Alright, nachos. A ballpark favorite right here. Now I fried my own tortilla chips. You could buy yours or fry yours, do whatever you want. And there goes the bulgogi meat that we heated on the stove top. You know, we got some cheese that we made as well. Look at that fried egg. We're gonna have to add some greens for the colors. Some green onions, the lime, salsa. Don't hurt yourself with that one. Watch out. That's good. Alright, now for the healthier people, let's go with the green salad. Gonna saute some mushrooms up. I use portobello because that's one of my favorite mushrooms. Then we have the bulgogi meat right there, which I'm gonna slice up very quickly because I'm hungry. Alright, we're gonna add our arugula or whatever greens you like. Got the mushrooms, green onions, cilantro, boiled egg, little carrots, apples, Korean pear, Korean pear, and the bulgogi. There we go. The bulgogi salad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have plenty more for you coming. Have a good day.